So, welcome to our Excel training for our day three. Now, so this is only for continuation of our discussion. So, this time we're going to talk about the series. So, here in our Excel, we have here ribbon, which is under editing. We can see our series now. So, here in series, um, we can create sequence of numbers, without typing it manually. Normally kasi, common errors na ginagawa natin is we type it manually for, creating data here. We just do it manually. So instead of doing that, there's another other way. We can use this one, then fill series, or we can use this one. Make sure to highlight the selected cells. Um, then series, and then linear. So, mag-start ako ng 1, then mag-end ako ng 10. 10. Yan. So, ito. Makikita nyo automatic siya naglagay, no? So, gusto ko pa maglagay ulit, Alt-EIS. Ayun yung shortcut key pala uh, na itong part na ito. Columns naman siya. Mag-start ako ng 1, then mag-end ako ng 10. Ayan. So, yung shortcut again, Alt-EIS. Ayan. Alt button, then EIS. Ayan. Sa growth naman, 5. Ayan. Maglalagay ako ng number dito, then magdrag ako ng cells, and then Alt EIS, and then growth. Pag nilagay kang growth, and then maglalagay ako dito, let's say 3. Ayun. So, what will happen here is i-multiply niya by 3. 3 times 5 equals 15. So, 15 times 4, times 3 equals 45. And something like that, no? Nag-additional siya. So, ayun yung ginagawa ni growth. So, si day naman, let's say 0, 1, 0, 1, 20, 20, 3, no? Yan. You just have to select first kung hanggang saan, LTIS. And then, day, since I'm looking for a day, there's no need for you to add stamp value here, no? So, you can click the okay na, no? Yan, okay na siya. Kita nyo, day siya, no? So, dito sa weekday, gusto mo naman, walang weekend, just only weekday, no? We can try to create first formula. There's nothing for you guys to worry about the formula, no? Sorry. We'll also talking about this one, no? Ayan. So, let's say, itong part na ito, gusto ko walang weekend. So, I'm looking just only for the weekday. So, makikita natin dito, itong part na ito, merong weekend. Ayan, si 1, Sunday. Ngayon, gusto ko weekday lang siya, walang weekend. So, ang gagawin mo, copy paste mo ito, and then i-drag mo kung hanggang saan, Alt EIS, then click mo yung weekday. Instead of day, click mo yung weekday. Then okay mo lang. Ito, wala na po itong weekend. So, next, yung month, copy, paste. Yung month ng anong taon, i-drag mo uli yung hanggang saan, Alt EIS, and then month, then okay. Ayun. So, yung year din, let's say yung year 01, 0, 1, 2020, 2020. Yan. And then, i-drag mo siya, Alt-EIS, and then, here. Yan. So, ayun guys, thank you again for watching our D3 discussions, and have a great day.